Three key criteria of positioning your brand. Where number of the hotels are increasing day by day, positioning of your brand has become crucial. And how to do that strategically, I am going to tell you in a moment. Hello, my name is Prashant and I help independent hoteliers scale their business, boost profits and enjoy life. Where the market is flooded with the number of hotels and most of the people are booking rooms through online platforms, it's essential and the most powerful tool to create space in your prospects' minds so they are pulled to your brands. So now the question is how to do that effectively. Here are the three key criteria you must focus when it comes to position your brand in modern hospitality business. The first criteria is service. What kind of service are you designing for your customers? If you are service focused and your team is trained to provide world-class service, you position your brand in service segment. So the people who love to be served in a world-class manner in their stay, for them, you will be top priority. The second one is price. What are you going to charge your customers for the services and amenities you will provide them? Whether you are keeping your price always at a competitive level. So when any person is planning his trip and he is on a budget, then he can choose your property. Since you will be providing the minimum room rates among all the hotels in your locality. And the third one is people. This is for them who are concerned about occupancy rate. No matter what, they have to keep their hotel full. In this case, for you to position your brand is required as maximum hoteliers are concerned about numbers and they focus on occupancy rate only. And for you to remain profitable, your strategy must be unique. So you gravitate maximum customers to your brand. Here are some brain-racking points for you when you are hunting for occupancy rates. Like what kind of people should come to your place. So you have to know their age group, gender, what is their status, are they married or single? If they are married, then are they having kids? Do they have pets? And do they travel along with their pets? Also, you have to know, are they business people or they are just looking a venue for the weddings or other events? So now, are you able to answer my question? Where your brand is positioned today? Or in case you need more clarity, provide your details in below link so I can arrange a free strategy call with you where I will help you to understand with positioning your brand so you will scale your business, boost profits and enjoy life. Bye for now.